How to use WhatsApp linked devices on iPad. To use the WhatsApp linked devices on iPad, first of all, go ahead and download the WhatsApp Messenger on your iPad from your device's app store. Once you install it onto your device, all you have to do is proceed to launch it. Once you are here in the login page, you simply have to use the companion mode or link device option rather than typing out your phone number. Now, once you select that, all you have to do is take your primary device that your WhatsApp account is logged in on and proceed to launch the application. Tap on this dotted menu icon on the top right corner, then access this linked devices option, proceed to link the device. You simply have to scan the QR code on your iPad screen using your primary phone. Once you scan it, you simply have to tap link device option once again, and you can now use WhatsApp on iPad. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.